இப்போ ஒரு மீட்டிங்க்கு போறோம், அது வந்து பாசிட்டிவாவும் இருக்கலாம், நெகட்டிவாவும் இருக்கலாம்.
ஓகே
Many times ஒரு மீட்டிங் போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் ரிசல்ட் வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி we think on too much on negative aspect, and அதுதான் மனசுல நிற்கிறது.
ஓகே
And it triggers the opposite person also to speak more on that. அது எப்படி is it related to this chakra?
Fine, I'll take now your example. When you are going to a particular meeting, right? When you get anxiety, when you get so stressful, when you can't meet the demand, or when you do not know what's going to happen there, when you have no clue about what is going to happen, either this can happen this way or this way, but you expect only positive to happen. You go and meet the client or your team members for achieving some goal. For the goal, if everyone is going to agree and the track is very clear, the process is very clear, means you will feel so confident. Correct? You have the raw material with you. This is what you are going to talk to them, and this is what they are going to ask you. This is what you are going to explain. Clear, you get positive outcome and you run with that. You are happy. If you know this process very clearly and you know that all the things are available in front of you, the process is just only to integrate and clarify, and you are sure of getting the results. When you are starting for the meeting, will you get anxiety? No. You will be very clear. But what happens when you do not have this in line with your expectation? Naturally, you tend to expect, oh, what is going to happen? How I am going to manage? How if I don't give the result, my boss is going to, respond to me or react to me? How can I answer that? If to avoid that, how I have to prepare? All these things, thoughts, thought level will give you more anxiety at the beginning level itself. With that anxious mood, you go to a thing. Okay, instead, I'll come to you now. Certain practices which we are going to practice on a regular basis will always energize you more with this relevant chakras. That means you will have more energy to clearly think. The dimension of thinking will open in the other way. When the dominance of anxiety comes first and the thinking faculty is reduced, and when the energy is more in you, the thinking faculty is very high, the anxiety is little less than that, or this is dominating, your power is dominating, and you will have more power to think in a different dimensions. Definitely the scenario will be the same, but you may have more possibilities of thinking in different way. Call it as out of box or anything. What if it fails? What is the mitigation? What is the backup plan? Plan A, okay, if it goes well, all right. If it does not, okay, 50% only, what is the alternative? C plan, if everything fails, what is the plan? When you go to the meeting itself, you will have all these three plans and proposed mitigations. And when they ask you, what if everything fails? What is the plan you have? If they ask you, you have everything with you. Sir, if it fails, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. You have some backup plan. Maybe it will take more time. It might not get me the 100% results, but we will not fail. 60% results we will achieve. That's enough for us to attain our break even. Profit we might not get in the deal, but we might get less profit, but we will not be at a failure. We will not lose the order. All these probabilities of different dimensional thinking will come to you just before going to the meeting, when your emotional component of your chakra is very high. You got it, no? Simple. You will be ready to face the fear. You will be ready to face the anger. You will be ready to face the negative results. In one more way, when I am ready to die, this is the extreme, no? This is the extreme. I am ready to die the next moment. What else can be the highest fear in my life except my death? Only death we do not know. For every one of us, there is a component called death in our life. but there is no calendar given to us. We all think that we will live for very long. We don't know. Next moment I may die, but I may die after 100 years. With that belief and trust only we are moving our thing now. Correct. And that is the highest form of death. Even that experience can be digested in advance if you have the power of all these chakras. That's what I'm trying to say. That is the highest form. The rest are the lowest, no? What a boss can do if we don't achieve, they can, worst scenario, they can kick out of job, right? They can kick us out of job. Can we not get another job? Possible. It may be little tough based on the age and experience and all the position and all, and now at the pandemic, there may be difficulty, but still, there is always a backup plan. If not A, there is a B. If not B, there is a C. Okay? Because when we are ready eventually to even to the zero of death, that's the highest form of fear anyone can come across. These are all less than that. And that power of executing or accepting anything in the life, it does not mean you accept as it comes and suffer. No. You respond, you take a react, all this mitigation you will take. But the clarity of thinking comes in advance when this chakra power is very high.